Like, comment, and subscribe. So I finally got the toboggan done with my fishing gear in it, and that's not too much gear. An auger will fit in there, and my tackle box, and the mini rods, of course. So, held on by a whole bunch of bungees. It's 2 Pelican sleds, one flipped on top of the other. I went and cut this out. I'm gonna take the pocket and turn it upside down and weld it in to make them fit. I've got a old cargo strap that I'll weave across and have a proper, like, firm grip. And then I've got bungee cords holding it down. This is the leash for now. Yeah. And it holds my bug out bag. It has inches to spare on either side, which means I can get the auger in there. So you can see here the walkout bag, more advanced first aid kit. It's got splints, tongue depressors, and that sort of stuff. Lots of room. I can shove it over to one side and put my ice fishing kit required in there. This is how I secured the rope. I've got a piece of HPDE chopped down and held into location. I've got the rope and a couple of large washers. Got a sharp edge I gotta get rid of. I've got a 10K pull point. I'm going to be modifying, like I said, I'm going to be modifying the rope so it runs up into there, and from there forward to the toboggan. Oh, what a mess. It's been a busy day. But you can see the hole I cut out. I'll take the piece that I cut from here, turn it upside down, and plaster weld it into the other side so that they interlock. And I got myself a relatively weatherproof toboggan set up.